Hey there! If you own a Hyundai Tucson, you're about to discover the best Hyundai Tucson accessories that can instantly improve comfort, convenience, protection, and style. These must-have upgrades are quickly becoming favorites among Tucson owners. Every product link is in the description below, so you can check today's latest price. Let's get started. Number 1. Optimus delivers reliable real-time GPS tracking for Hyundai Tucson owners with precise location updates, a heavy-duty waterproof magnetic case, and up to 2 months of battery life. Instant text and email alerts, customizable 10-second reporting, and dependable USA, Canada, and Mexico coverage make it an excellent choice for security, vehicle protection, long-term durability, and everyday peace of mind. Number 2. Lamicall transforms the Hyundai Tucson backseat into a comfortable entertainment hub with its sturdy metal headrest mount and unique biaxial extension arm. The 360-degree rotation delivers the perfect viewing angle, while universal 4.7 to 11-inch device compatibility, quick tool-free installation, anti-slip protection, and rock-solid stability make every family road trip safer and more enjoyable. Number 3. ANDERY transforms your Hyundai Tucson with an ultra-secure Magsafe phone holder featuring powerful 22N55 magnets, delivering 2400 GF magnetic force, a 78 plus lb nanogel suction cup, 360-degree rotation with a 210-degree dual-axis design, cooling airflow, and 1-second installation. Built for durability, smooth navigation, safer driving, and dependable hands-free performance on every journey. Number 4. Cartist delivers dependable all-weather protection with a custom fit for Hyundai Tucson models, featuring durable Oxford polyester, waterproof and anti-UV construction, reflective safety strips, a driver's side zipper, windproof wheel buckles, and breathable tear-resistant fabric. It shields against rain, snow, sun, and dust, while remaining easy to install, fold, and store for everyday convenience. Number 5. Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit is a must-have upgrade for any Hyundai Tucson owner, combining a 108-piece first aid kit, digital auto tire inflator with auto shutoff, 12-foot 8-gauge jumper cables, tow strap, flashlight, gloves, and roadside safety essentials. Its durable, compact design delivers dependable emergency preparedness, safety, convenience, and long-lasting value for every journey. Number 6. Houscly delivers impressive cordless cleaning performance for Hyundai Tucson owners with powerful 20,000 PA brushless suction that easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris. Its 4-in-1 vacuum, blower, air duster, and pump design, 30-minute rechargeable battery, washable HEPA filter, 0.4-liter dust cup, and compact lightweight build provide reliable, convenient, and professional quality interior detailing. Number 7. NOCO delivers a compact cordless tire inflator that's perfect for your Hyundai Tucson, combining 130 psi performance with fast inflation from 0 to 40 psi in under 7 minutes. Its digital gauge, auto shutoff, USB-C rechargeable battery, power bank function, intuitive display, quiet 75 dB operation, and durable portable design provide reliable convenience, safety, and emergency readiness every drive. Number 8. JACO ElitePro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge delivers shop-grade precision that Hyundai Tucson owners can trust for safer, smoother driving. Professionally calibrated to plus or minus 50 psi accuracy up to 100 psi, it features a durable solid brass and steel body, bright backlit LCD, 10-inch leak-proof hybrid flex hose, built-in air bleeder valve, auto shutoff, and lifetime warranty for dependable long-term performance. Number 9. Breejoy in-channel window rain guards are precision designed for the Hyundai Tucson, delivering a sleek, factory-style fit with durable shatterproof polycarbonate construction. The in-channel design reduces wind noise, blocks rain and debris, improves ventilation, protects your interior, installs without drilling, includes a 1-year warranty, and adds lasting comfort, style, and everyday driving confidence. Number 10. Autorder Mud Flaps deliver dependable protection for the Hyundai Tucson with a custom vehicle-specific fit and durable ABS thermoplastic construction. These splash guards effectively block mud, rocks, water, and road debris while helping keep the body cleaner. Their flexible, impact-resistant design withstands harsh weather, and the no-drill installation with factory-matched mounting points makes upgrading quick, secure, and hassle-free. Number 11. Mockins transforms your Hyundai Tucson into a road trip-ready SUV with a rugged 500-pound steel cargo carrier that keeps the cabin spacious and organized. Its folding 60 by 20 by 6-inch design, weatherproof 20 cubic foot cargo bag, rust-resistant powder coating, hitch stabilizer, locking pin, license plate holder, and raised shank deliver secure, durable, all-weather hauling with dependable long-term value. Number 12. ARKSEN transforms your Hyundai Tucson into a true adventure-ready SUV with its extra-large 64 by 39 by 6-inch roof rack basket. Built from heavy-duty powder-coated steel, it supports up to 150 pounds while resisting rust, corrosion, and harsh weather. Reinforced side rails, sturdy bottom bars, and an integrated wind fairing improve cargo security, reduce wind noise, and maximize valuable interior space for every road trip. Number 13. HESHS custom-fit seat covers instantly upgrade Hyundai Tucson interiors with premium waterproof Nappa leather, full seat coverage, breathable all-weather comfort, and a secure non-slip design. Convenient rear storage pockets, durable construction, and easy installation deliver lasting protection, improved driving comfort, and a stylish factory-like appearance that feels built for everyday use. Number 14. Snailfly aluminum roof rack crossbars deliver a custom fit for the 2022 to 2026 Hyundai Tucson with flush side rails, offering a durable aluminum build, 165-pound load capacity, lockable anti-theft security, and panoramic sunroof clearance. The aerodynamic design reduces wind noise while safely carrying kayaks, bikes, luggage, or cargo, making every family trip more secure, practical, and adventure-ready. Number 15. Farasla all-in-one car trash can is a smart Hyundai Tucson upgrade that keeps your cabin clean, organized, and travel-ready. Its 1.8-gallon capacity, removable leak-proof liner, heavy-duty 500D polyester construction, adjustable mounting strap, built-in tissue holder, mesh storage pockets, and secure button closure lid deliver durability, convenience, cleaner interiors, spill protection, and excellent everyday value for daily driving and road trips. Number 16. Owleys Kickmat Backseat Protector gives your Hyundai Tucson premium backseat protection with a rugged 5-layer eco-leather and 600D Oxford construction. Its waterproof, stain-resistant, kick-proof design shields upholstery from dirt, mud, scratches, and daily wear. Universal fit secure straps install in minutes, while child-safe, non-toxic materials and easy clean surfaces deliver lasting durability, comfort, and exceptional value. Number 17. Pak Smart RGB car interior LED lights instantly give your Hyundai Tucson a premium ambient upgrade with 48 bright LEDs and 16 million customizable colors. APP control, music sync, 38 scene modes, DIY effects, timer function, and a clean 2-line hidden installation deliver vibrant lighting, easy operation, lasting durability, and an exciting nighttime driving experience. Number 18. Maxby Magnetic Wireless Charging Phone Mount is a smart upgrade for Hyundai Tucson, delivering secure Magsafe-compatible wireless charging with a clean, factory-style dashboard fit. Powerful magnets keep your phone steady on rough roads, while the adjustable ball joint provides the perfect viewing angle. No adhesive means effortless repositioning, making every drive safer, more convenient, and clutter-free. Number 19. TREKURE delivers dependable emergency power that Hyundai Tucson owners can trust with its massive 8,000 amps peak current, instantly starting all gas and 12-liter diesel engines. The compact 26,800 mAh design doubles as a fast-charging power bank, while 10 safety protections, waterproof durability, 800-lumen LED light, and simple three-step operation make every roadside emergency safer and stress-free. Number 20. LASFIT floor mats deliver a precision custom fit for Hyundai Tucson Gas, using advanced 3D laser scanning and premium TPE material for maximum durability. This full set includes front, rear, backrest, and cargo mats with raised edges, anti-slip backing, and all-weather protection against mud, snow, spills, and daily wear, while remaining flexible, easy to clean, and built for long-lasting interior protection. Number 21. FASTAGEI 2-pack Universal Foldable Car Backseat Organizer instantly upgrades your Hyundai Tucson with smarter storage and rear seat convenience. Premium PU leather, 7 compartments, a sturdy foldable tray supporting up to 8.2 pounds, a touch-screen phone holder, and easy clean protection keep every trip organized, comfortable, and family-friendly, while securely protecting your seatbacks from daily wear. Number 22. Farasla Waterproof Car Trunk Organizer is a smart upgrade for any Hyundai Tucson, combining rugged Oxford polyester with a heavy-duty 2mm plastic frame for lasting durability. Its 3 adjustable compartments, multiple storage pockets, leak-proof removable cooler, waterproof design, foldable cover, and securing straps keep groceries, tools, and travel essentials organized, secure, and ready for every drive. Number 23. Canvic Full Window Sunshade Kit is precision designed for Hyundai Tucson 2016 to 2021, delivering an 8-piece custom fit with virtually no gaps. Its high-density reflective polyester fabric blocks up to 99% of heat and UV rays, keeping the cabin cooler, protecting the interior, adding blackout privacy for camping or naps, and installing in just minutes with convenient foldable storage. Number 24. PIM-CAR Center Console Tray Organizer is a smart storage upgrade designed specifically for the Hyundai Tucson Limited and Hybrid SEL with push-button transmission. Its durable ABS construction, divided compartments, and non-slip pads keep essentials organized, protected, and easy to reach. Tool-free installation, simple cleaning, and a perfect factory-style fit make everyday driving more convenient and clutter-free. Number 25. Dylan 2-in-1 Cup Holder Expander is a smart Hyundai Tucson upgrade that adds extra storage without sacrificing convenience. Its expandable 2.6 to 4-inch base securely fits most cup holders, while the durable ABS plastic construction holds 10 to 46-ounce bottles steady. Detachable dual holders also organize phones, wallets, or glasses, reducing clutter and improving everyday driving comfort.